Panathady is a village in Kasaragode district in the state of Kerala, India. Panathady Panchayat is in Vellarikundu. It is 36 kilometers away from the nearest municipality, Kanhangad, and it is 8 kilometers away from the Kerala-Karnataka border, Panathur. Politically, Panathady is included in the Hosdurg Legislative Assembly and Kasaragode Loksabha Assembly. This panchayat is administered as a part of the newly formed Vellarikundu Taluk. Panchayat is ruled by LDF local self-government. Mr. P.G. Mohanan is the current president of Panathady Panchayat. The administrative office, i.e., Panchayat office, is at Panathur. Village office also situated in Panathur. As of 2001 India census, Panathady had a population of 22,307 with 11,200 males and 1107 females. The most widely spoken language is Malayalam. The most common religions are Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity. There are 4 tribal communities inhabiting this area: Mathalan, Malavatavakadiya, and Marathi. The economy is mostly agriculture-based, with rubber, paddy, banana, coconut and the areca nut being the most cultivated products. There is one higher secondary school, GHSS Panathur. GHS Panathur, and many primary schools are situated in the main Panathady village. Apart from these 2 high schools, there are other 3 more government schools in Panathady. They are Government LP School Kalapalli, Government LP School Panathady and Government LP School Parakadavog. St. Mary's English Medium School is the another main school in Panathady Panchayat. Panathady have only one college, St. Mary's Arts and Science College, affiliated to Kannur University. Geographically, it is a hilly region, and is part of the Western Ghats. Panathady located in Kerala-Karnataka border. Nearest town is Vellarikundu, which is 25 kilometers from Panathady. Kanhangad is the nearest town in Kerala side, and it is 45 kilometers away from Panathady. People uses private and KSRTC buses for transportation mainly. There is no railway connectivity here. Proposed Kanhangad-Kannoya railway line connect Panathady. From Panathady, Karnataka towns like Vellarikundu, Bhagamandala, Madikeri, Puttur etc. can be accessed easily. KSRTC and private buses connects these towns from Panathady. Famous tourism place Madikeri/Coorg is 60 kilometers away from Panathady. People who are traveling to Bangalore or Mysore are passed through Panathady. For local transportation, people uses jeep services and auto rickshaws. Places like Ranipuram, Panathady, Parakadavog, Kalapalli etc. are the places where there is no proper transportation medium is not available. The average annual rainfall is more than 300 centimeters. Panathady have mixed climate. Summer is hot, and during rainy season in winter time Panathady get cooler climate. Ranipuram, the famous tourism place, is in Panathady Panchayat/village. It is famous for its weather, beauty etc. In Panathady you can also see stunning local waterfalls, which are not commercialized yet. Waterfalls like Jothlag Waterfalls are stunning and mind-blowing. Panathur Check Dam is another attraction. Branch of Chandragiri River flow through here, and the check dam is the best place for swimming. Summer is the best time. References